Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable pop-ups in Google Chrome. Pop-ups can be handy for some websites or apps that need them to work properly. So let's jump right in. First, launch your Google Chrome browser. Now, head to the top right corner and click on the three dots menu. Next, select Settings from the drop-down on the left-hand side. Go to Privacy and Security. Scroll down a bit and choose Site Settings. Within the Content section, click on Pop-ups and REDIRECTS to turn on pop-ups in Google Chrome. Just enable the option that says Sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. Checking this will allow pop-ups for all websites. But if you only want to allow them for certain sites, go to the Allow to Send Pop-ups and Use Redirect section. Click the Add button. Type in the website's address and hit Add again, and that's it. You've now successfully turned on pop-ups in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more useful tutorials.